Good evening and welcome, poetry lovers. Today I have two poems for you about psilocybin, the magic mushroom of nature. Each has its own voice, and I don't have much to say otherwise than just speak the two poems that come, and yeah. Here's the first one. It's called Nature's King. Psilocybin, nature's king energy, delight in its lovingly warm synergy, complete and sovereign intelligence, no bullshit, it'll make you feel whole, gents. Strength to heal, power to grieve, granting a full sense of reprieve. Nature's voice, the mushroom speaks, standing tall, no longer so weak. Embrace its lessons, feel its love, safely held within by its elegant hug. So, yes, I think it embodies the king energy well, a full, complete king energy, not a tyrannical king energy. And kind of Lord of the Rings, the character Aragorn embodies this feeling as a kind of cultural artifact really well. But within myself, the mushroom brings me to that reverence for nature of the kingdom, seeing it all, being in touch with it all, listening to it all, having that beauty reflected in my own heart. So I'm very grateful for that. The next poem it's called Nature's Pace. Slow, way, way down, take some psilocybin and deeply feel the ground. It heals all wounds, vast and small, miraculously picking you up from your creature crawl. Calm and subtle, breeze in the mix. Come on out and get your nature fix. Steep the tea, make a drink, let it cool down while you sink into the waves of wind and stillness between. Watch the world unfold like a brilliant dream. So I hope you find the stillness and the beauty, and I hope it allows you that miraculous feeling of picking you up from a creature crawl that you've been perhaps stuck in. I know that's what it does best for me when I need it. Granted, you do all this in a safe and beautiful environment where you've set your intention well. You've controlled the environment to not deal with anything a tough situation would arise, like complex social interactions or something. Like a party is just not the place, but in the beauty of nature, in the quiet, where you can really open up, then these powerful feelings and transformational things are allowed and welcome into your being. So may the world unfold like a brilliant dream for you. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Take care.